Hello everyone, welcome to our Power System Experts YouTube channel. Our fourth PSSE tutorial on comparing power flow cases in PSSE. Let's start with the presentation first. Following are the contents of our today's tutorial. The first one is why case comparison is needed, and the second one is compare power flow case total in PSSE, and third one is the compare power flow case difference in PSSE, and the last activity of case comparison is comparing AC tie lines in PSSE, and in the last the hands-on example on PSSE will be covered in this tutorial. So why case comparison is needed? The first reason is that the comparison of input data with the reference case, you need to check your parameters and the case information with respect to the reference case. And next is mostly it helpful when you are reviewing any consultant work. And the third one is the verification of data and network. So the first activity in PSSE is comparing power flow case totals like CMPR. The case comparison activity, the CMPR compares the total system values contained in the working case with those of your reference case. So you can select the total case as well as area total or zone total or owner total depending upon your system requirement. So this is the PSSE interface of first activity comparing power flow case totals in PSSE. In the first ribbon, the case total, you can load your case for comparison. Once your case is loaded, then you can select your area of study, in which area or on total case you need a comparison. Then click on go. The next dialog option will appear, the select total comparison option. In the comparison option, you can select whether type of comparison that you are interested in, the generation comparison or load comparison or losses comparison, depending upon the requirement. So this is the CMRR activity dialog option in PSSE. So next activity in PSSE is the comparing power flow case differences. The case comparison activity compares the certain parametric data and the solution result contained in the working case with your reference case. So the network element in entire case may be subjected to the comparison, or checks may be restricted to those within your designated subsystem. So depending upon the needs. Similarly, the second ribbon for case comparison in power flow case differences, again load your case from the start, select your bus comparison based upon the number or name, then select your subsystem, click on go. The DF activity dialog option in PSSE will appear. Here you can select the type of comparison and also the comparison thresholds in term of percent or engineering units, and you can define your threshold in case of generation or load comparison, and click on compare. You will find the result report in the PSSE response. So next, the third activity is comparing AC tie branches DFT, the tie line case comparison that compares the power flow branch data and solution result contained in the working case with your designated save case. So remember, the only AC tie branches from the designated subsystem are subjected to the processing and reporting. The reason is that the case is synced. But when you do a comparison in case of DC transmission line, the DC create a asynchronous connection, due to which you cannot make a comparison. For a comparison, you need to remain with the same like the synchronous connection. So similarly, the third ribbon of tie lines, again load your case, define your comparison based on number or name, select your subsystem, and click on go. The DFT activity dialog option will appear in PSSE. Then you can compare the branch status, the branch parameter, the rating of line, depending upon your comparison required. So all these three are the case comparisons options where you can compare your case with your own reference designated case depending upon the requirement. So in that loss, the PSSE hands-on example will be discussed now. For that, you need to open the PSSE software first. So simply open your case, working case. First you need to open your working case and click, and also open your diagram. So this is the sample case provided in the PSSE example folder where you have installed your software. You can find this example also. So in order to compare your case, click on file and click on compare. Go to the first activity, the CMRR activity, the case total, and open your designated save case or reference case. Then you need to compare for the case total for entire case, or you can select your subsystem also, but here in this we are selecting. Similarly, you can select your any owner and zone also depending upon the need. So first we are doing a comparison for a total entire case. Click this and click on go. For this, simple on a single click in the report bar, you can see that there is a summary. The first summary is that megawatt and megawatt in your working case, and the next is the megawatt and megawatt in your designated save case, and next column is the delta megawatt and the delta megawatt. Because the case I have loaded is the both are the same case, therefore the mismatches in megawatt load and losses are 0. But if I do, for example, if I do a change in the load, simply click on go. For all buses, click on go, change the load option, like the 10% load is changed, and click on OK. Now again run a comparison for the same case. For every comparison you need to load your case separately. Simply click on OK, go. Now here you can see that there is a mismatch in load because I have already added a mismatch, because in the working case I have changed my system demand and that varies with respect to the reference demand. So here is a delta megawatt and delta megawatt, so this is a mismatch. So like this you can compare your case with your reference case. Okay, so in order to do a comparison for the next activity, again open your working case. So this was the CMRR activity. Here you can see that there is no mismatch. Then I have added some load in working case. Now there is a mismatch. So next activity, again go to comparison, and the next is the power flow case differences. Select your case. Case is your reference case, is already saved, and system, I am interested in the all bus system, but you can select any area like the area defined in this case. Click on apply, OK, and bus comparison will be on the based on number, and you can select name or number and name also. Click on go. Here you can see that the select power flow comparison options are available. Here you can select the different type of comparison between these two cases. So I am just selecting any one of this option, like the RXB, line RXB, the branches option. I want to compare the branches parameter of my working case with my reference case. Simply click on compare. Here you can see that there is no difference in working case RX and B and the RX, because basically it will not give you a complete summary. It only will show you the differences. If there is a difference, it will show you the result in the output. Otherwise it will give you option alarm of none. So here you can see that there is no difference in this case. Similarly, in order to do a next comparison for your Thailand, open your case again, and go to file, and then comparison option. So in the comparison option, click on the Thailands, and again you need to load your case, the designated case. Bus comparison based on the number and name, and the select bus system, because now here is important because we are discussing about the Thailands. So therefore the at least two areas must be selected. So the first one is this area and next is the world area. In the area difference, you can see from the single line diagram, the first area is the world area and next is the FLAPCO area. So here you can see that the one line is the tie line and another line is a tie line and another. So there are three branches that are connected connecting two different regions, so two different areas. So again, select subsystem is selected, click on go, and here you can also compare the RXP parameter, line shunts, line ratings. So I'm interested in this case the line ratings. Simply select the line ratings, click on all ratings are rate A, so I'm interested in only rate A because the rate A is the thermal limit. So you can go to the stability limit rate B, so it depends. So click on compare. Again there is no difference because I have chosen the same case. I have just changed the name of the cases, but the cases both are the same. So you can see that the different outputs are available, like when the output of your first activity is CMPR, and the output of your second activity is DIFF, and the output report of your third activity is DFTI. So in this way you can compare your cases with your reference case. So it basically tells you that your case is working. So this is the end of our today's fourth tutorial on PSSE. Thanks for joining us. Take care and bye.